Dare to crack open a snack that might stare back at you? In Vietnam and the Philippines, locals enjoy balut, a fertilized duck egg with a partially developed embryo, eaten straight from the shell. Feathers, beak, and bones? Yep, they're all there, and surprisingly soft from the cooking process. It's often served warm with herbs, salt, and lime. It's believed to boost strength and virility. This street food favorite is deeply rooted in tradition and often considered a delicacy. Would you be brave enough to take that first bite?